OHLC, which is open, high,
Yeah. Yeah.
low, and close. Now, if you go to any bearish candle, it has to happen. It has to happen. We are in H4. Look, sir, we are in H4, right?
Yeah.
From very top of this candle, every time you see, look at this formation. It is open. It goes up and then came down and then close. Right? We are talking about especially on this candle, specifically this candle, right? And the bullish one, always you will see in the higher time frame.
Yes.
I'm not talking about the lower time frame. Anywhere, look, sir. You see, this is the open and then high and then low and then close.
Yes.
What market did? Open. And when it
Yeah.
goes first time on anywhere, like this is the upper side first time movement, this market went to downside and close. Now look, sir, what happened here? It is the close and then it opened, right, sir?
Yeah.
And then it goes to the downside first. So when it goes to the downside first, it goes to the upper side. So this is a candle logic. Every time, every single candle, you will see the same thing. You will the same thing. Like this one especially, it closed here, it opened here, it time it goes to the downside. So whenever candle started with the first thing, it goes the reverse side in the longer term. Let's talk about the uh, weekly, sir.
Yes.
Okay, look at this one. What happened when this candle opened the last week? It opened here and then goes to the upper
Move
side, right, sir?
outside. Yes.
And then fully reverse to the downside.
As I move
Now
to
look
the
at this bullish
top,
candle. What
to
happened?
the
You
high.
can tell me. It opened here,
Move outside.
right? It goes to downside, and then what happened?
Yeah. As I move to the top,
Right.
high.
So look at this one. What happened? It opened here.
Yes.
It went first where? Upper side, and then whole week it goes to against of this particular side. You see, sir.
Yes.
Now go to H4. Look at
Yeah.
H4.
Move
This candle.
move outside.
What happened here? Look at, sir. When the market closed, what happened here? Closed, and then this candle opened, right, sir? And the first move is the downside,
Outside.
and then closed with the reverse side. Same thing with happening
Yes.
with every single candle. Every single candle. It is some kind of, as a human, we have some nature, right, sir?
Yeah.
So as a candle, it is the nature of a candle. If you go to any candle, like this is the opening of that candle, initially the movement you take, the candle
No.
took, it always go to the reverse side in the longer time frame, not the shorter time frame. Okay, sir. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay, now, so we have this open, high, low, close. We calling it OHLC. So if we draw a bullish candle,
Yeah.
so this will be our bullish candle, and this will be, we always will have
Close.
weak, right, sir?
Yeah. Yeah.
So tell me the formation of this candle. Where is the open?
Yes.
It is close, right, sir?
Close.
And then we have
High and
open
low.
here, right, sir?
Yes.
And then what we have? This and this,
High and low.
high and low. So we have high and we have low. Okay, sir. So what will be, I made a mistake. I removed the open. Okay.
Open, low, high and close.
Open. So what will be the formation
Low,
of this candle, sir? It is started with
high,
open, right, sir?
open, low, high and close.
Open and then low. So we are going to
Low.
OL
Yes.
HC. You see? So now you know the reason why we are calling it a green candle as OLSC and the OHLC, right, sir? Because
Yes.
remember the chart candle pattern? So when it is open, it always go to low and then it goes to high for the bullish one. And the bearish one, when it open, it always go to higher,
No.
high, and then came to the low side and the close. Any question? Any question? Any confusion?
Yes. No.
Okay. So remember this thing when he said we have an engulfing, which is a regular engulfing.
Yes.
Okay. Now we are going
It's
to do
okay.
something else.
Doesn't matter.
So which one you want to see
Bullish.
first? Bullish or bearish?
It's okay. Yeah. Yes.
Which one, sir?
Bullish.
Bullish. Okay. So what is the bullish?
Yes.
Is it a bullish candle in engulfing?
Yeah.
So for the
Yes.
bullish engulfing, what we need, sir? A red candle and a green candle, right?
Yes.
So what is the color of this one should be? A red. And we are going to have open and
Yeah.
high. So as a regular bullish engulfing one, this should be our engulfing. Okay, sir?
Yes. Yeah.
But as I said, we have another type of engulfing which we called what? Irregular engulfing. Remember, sir?
Yes.
For that one, we need
Yes.
two color combination. What's that? Two color combination, not candle. You got my point, sir?
No. Yeah.
So it
The
is
the
a
green candle does not equal
candle.
the red
Now,
candle.
can we call it engulfing now, sir?
No.
The reason, sir?
The the green candle does not equal the red candle.
Right, right. But as a irregular engulfing, we have to do like this. When we have a red color candle, we go to high and we go to low. Okay, sir. As we are looking for a bullish engulfing until this high is not break out with the body, doesn't matter how many candle, we are going to call it a bullish engulfing. We are not until it is not breaking
Yeah.
with the body. Like if you see this one, it did goes upper side and did not close with the body, so we are not going to call it engulfing. Okay, sir. Now
Yeah.
look at this one. It started again here and it may goes there, but it did it close with the body with the high,
Yeah.
this high? Did this candle close above this high with the body? No, right?
Yeah.
So we are not
Yes.
going to call it engulfing. Now look at this one. Did it
Yes.
close with the body with that high? Does it, sir?
Yes.
So are we going to call it engulfing?
Yes.
Okay. Now look in our chart everywhere in
Yeah.
H4, H1. So,
Yes.
sir,
Irregular.
look at this.
Bullish. Bearish engulfing.
Is it an engulfing, sir?
Yeah.
It is a regular engulfing, right?
Yes. Irregular. Bullish. Bearish engulfing.
Bearish engulfing. Now, is it
Yes.
an engulfing, sir?
The third candle breaks
Is it an
the
engulfing?
high of the bearish candle. Yes.
The reason?
The third candle breaks the high of the
Right. So
bearish
this
candle.
bearish candle high, this
Yes.
bearish candle high was broke out this candle. So we are going to call it a bullish engulfing. Right, sir?
Yes.
Now let's, as we have seen, this is a bullish engulfing which is an irregular
Yeah.
engulfing, not a regular engulfing. This is a irregular engulfing. So bearish engulfing will be the vice versa, right, sir?
Yeah.
So we should have a bullish candle. When we have a
Yes.
bullish candle, we will have what's a high and weak, high and low with a wick, right, sir?
Yes.
So when you have this high and this low, what we need, sir, now? We need a red
Yeah.
color candle. Doesn't matter how many candle, it should be break out this low with the body. Okay. Now it could be
Yeah.
one candle, it could be 10 candle. Doesn't matter. So we have, let's say we have a red candle here, we have a red candle here, and then we have
Yes.
a
Yes.
another red candle. So this is now an, we can call it what, a bearish engulf, right, sir?
Yeah.
Now remember in the beginning what I said, we need what, color combination. What we need? Color combination, not the candle. We if we are looking for a bearish, we need red, sorry, bullish, we need a red and green candle. For bearish we need a red, green and red candle. Now let's say this candle again become a green. So which zone will be our engulfing zone, sir? We are going to
Yeah.
shift this
Yes.
high to this high and this
Yeah.
low to
I,
this low. Reason? We said the
yes, I
color
was about
combination.
to ask
Remember,
this
sir?
question.
Yeah.
Now
Yes.
you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, I was about to ask this question.
You was going to ask about this question.
Yeah.
Yeah, now you cleared, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, this is the beauty, right? This is the beauty. So now look, let's look here. I think I have a perfect example. I think yes, just looking for a perfect example. Okay, sir. Now you will eventually, let's say, we do not need to think like that way.
Okay.
Just we what we have in our this chart, we are going to look, and you and I going to read through the chart. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Bullish.
So we
Bullish engulfing.
start from here, very here. What we are going to call it, sir?
Yeah.
Bullish
Bearish
and
engulfing.
Bullish
bullish
engulfing,
and
right? No doubt, no doubt. It is a bullish engulfing, right, sir?
yeah.
What we
Bullish.
are going to
Bullish
call it?
engulfing.
Bearish and
What we are going to call it?
Bullish engulfing.
bullish.
Bullish
Bullish
engulfing.
and
What we are going to call
Bearish.
it, sir?
Bearish engulfing.
bullish and
What we are going to
Bearish.
call it?
Bearish engulfing.
bearish.
Bearish engulfing.
Bullish.
What we are going to call it, sir?
Bearish. Bearish and
And
Bearish.
now what
Bearish.
we are going to call
Bullish
it?
engulfing.
Bullish engulfing.
bullish.
And what
Bearish.
it is, sir?
Bearish. Bearish.
Bearish.
Bullish and
Bullish engulfing. What
No.
it is?
bearish.
Bearish. Do you think it is a bullish or bearish engulfing? No. It is a bullish or bearish engulfing? None. Look, now the example will come handy. So remember what we are just talking about. Let's say this is the high and this is the low. So we need to see any bullish candle will break out this high, right, sir? So we have a green candle and then another green candle, but immediately what we see, another red candle. So for now we will shift our
But
zone from here
it's a regular engulfing.
to
It,
there, right, sir?
is it, uh,
You got my point, sir?
isn't it a regular engulfing?
But it's
The
a
red and
regular
the
engulfing.
Come
yes.
again, sir?
Isn't it a regular engulfing? The red and the
This one,
yes.
it is. Look at this. So we look something different way. At first, we are going to check like this way. So we are talking about, so this is the high of the bullish candle and this is
Yes.
the low
But
of the
the
bullish
red
candle.
and the
Did any candle break out this low? No. So we are not having any red
yes.
bullish bearish engulfing, right, sir?
Yes.
So,
The red
No.
and the
so we have now this one, right?
Yes.
yes.
So this candle break out with the body?
No.
No. So we are not having an engulfing buy also, right, sir?
Yes.
Now
No.
this is another one. Now we have this green candle and red candle. This candle did close it with the body? No.
Bullish
We are not going
engulfing.
to call it a bearish. Now let's move from here to there. Did it break with the body? Yes. So now we have what?
No.
A bullish engulfing, right, sir?
The
Can we call it
the
a
body
bearish
is
engulfing?
not closed.
This one.
No.
Why?
The the body is not closed.
Right. But this candle
Yeah.
eventually out of this zone. So it is the bearish engulfing. Got my point, sir? We have a gap here, but still it is a bearish engulfing. Okay.
Bullish engulfing.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have, this is what we are going to call it.
Bearish.
This one,
Bullish engulfing.
bullish engulfing. What we are going to call it?
Yes.
Bearish. So everything you see in the chart is now what? Either bullish or bearish. Either bullish or bearish, right, sir? The question is why we need those bullish and bearish engulfing. Why? Look at this, sir. What it is?
Yeah.
What? A bullish engulfing,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and market came higher. This bullish engulfing
The
area,
Bullish
and then
engulfing.
went up. You see, sir?
Yeah.
And then what it is?
Bearish. Bearish.
Bullish engulfing.
Market came back and went up. What it is? Bearish engulfing.
Yeah.
Market went back to the bearish engulfing and
Bullish.
then came down.
Bullish
Okay,
engulfing.
sir. Now, what it is?
Bullish.
And market came
Bearish.
back to
Bearish
higher.
engulfing.
This bullish engulfing and then went up.
Yes.
Now, sir, what it is?
Went down.
Bearish.
Mar-
Bearish engulfing.
Yes.
did market goes back to that zone
Yes.
and then
Down.
come back, right, sir? now, now, everything you will see in the chart either a bullish or bearish engulfing. Now, all the color combination, like if you see a blue and red, we are going to call it a
Bullish.
bearish engulfing. This is right, sir. This is a bearish engulfing. Okay.
Bullish.
Now we are having this one also. We are calling it a bullish engulfing. So what we are left with?
Yes.
We are left with this same color candle. If you see, we did not have any name for it. Them anything we did not learn about anything yet for them, right, sir?
Yes.
So look at anywhere in this gap area with same color candle. What we are going to
Yes.
call it? A Marubujo candle or the same color candle or open and close candle. This is the close, this is the opening of that candle, right, sir?
Yeah.
So when you have a same color candle, open and close candle, we go to a little time frame lower. What we in one time frame lower eventually. Now what we have, sir? Yeah.
A bearish engulfing.
What it is, sir?
Yes. A bearish engulfing.
Yes.
Right. And again, go to
Engulfing.
another time frame. Look this here.
Bearish
Do you think we
engulfing.
will have anything here, sir?
Yes.
Go to one time frame lower.
Engulfing.
What we have here?
Bearish engulfing.
Right, right. So when we have this kind of combination of color, what we are going to call it? An engulfing buy and engulfing sell. You got my point, sir? And if
No.
the
No.
combination change, we are shifting our
Yes.
area also. So far, any questions, sir?
No. No.
You understand everything?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I will give you some homework for today. You want to see the engulfing failed also?
Yeah.
Okay. So why we need this engulfing? Why we need this engulfing? Because we expect when market will come back here, what it is, sir? Is bullish or bearish? Is this
Yeah.
engulfing bullish
It's
or bearish? What is this engulfing, sir?
the last two candle.
Hello?
Look. This.
Is it a bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing?
Bearish engulfing.
The
Yes.
last two candle.
Yeah, these two candle is calling it a bullish, bearish engulfing, but it is a bearish engulfing, right, sir?
Yes.
Bearish engulfing. Yes.
So what is our expectation when market come back to this area? We expect to sell, right, sir?
Yes.
So what if market break out this, did not give us the sell? So in that time, what we are going to call it?
Yeah.
Engulfing failed or EF.
The bullish engulfing. Yeah.
Okay, sir?
Yeah.
So what it is? A bullish engulfing, right, sir?
Bullish engulfing. Yeah.
So what if this thing did not give us the reaction for buy and eventually it become the
Yes.
sell candle? So what we are going to call it now? Bullish engulfing failed. You got my point, sir?
Yes.
So
Okay.
now let's look some example in our real chart. Okay, sir?
Okay.
What we
A
have here?
bullish engulfing.
A bullish engulfing.
A bullish engulfing. So when market break out